Ratty tat tat. Okay. Ah! It's kind of annoying. Okay, we are officially probably online. I could be wrong though. I think we're live. I can't tell you how annoying it is. This stuff just doesn't work. And then you have to try to figure out why it doesn't work. And you can't figure it out. So you restart your computer like 1,000 different times. Hoping it'll work. But you don't actually know if it's gonna work. Okay. Let's Spotify. There we go. It does not want to fit in my secondary screen. Like at all. Okay. Love it so much. Let's see. Let's at least turn on some music. Nope. Nope. First off, that's a little too loud. Second off, turn my volume down a little bit. Second off, toodaloo. We need to actually turn on like audio capturing. Okay, unhide all. There we go. Now you're gonna hear my desktop, and I also need to turn on Spotify. Okay. Yeah. There we go. We've got music. Let me turn it down a little bit. Now we need a fix. Stupid. I can actually use the third screen. So, just because I'm having issues with like OBS is gone. This should work. Yeah, that is gonna work for now. We're working with what we got at the moment. Granted, it's not great what I got at the moment, but it's something. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. You're gonna. No. It won't fit. Oh, is it? There you go. Maybe. Dadgummit, no. See, this is literally. Okay, I'm gonna close it. This is why I have a virtual machine, running Windows of all things. Let me just share my screen, cause why not? Yeah, we're gonna share my screen. There you go. So we have my virtual box that we are going to. It was lagging. Like I think it might have been my virtual machine that crashed the computer. I'm not entirely sure, but it was something of the sorts that was crashed my computer last time. So we need to either like bring, I don't know, all the hardware in my virtual machine down or something of the sorts. But yeah, okay, there we go. We've got. Let's only give it like, I'll give it 3 cores, 3 processors. That works just fine. It's a-okay. That works just great. Okay, there we go. We don't really no nested paging. Because because that's like when you can run a virtual machine in a virtual machine, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quite remember. I think that's what it is, yeah. Excuse me. So we've got this. And let's see if it actually works now. Because sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does, and I really don't want like just y'all being left uh, just to yourselves, not seeing anything. And, like I don't want it crashing again like last time. Okay, we have Spotify. I'm just gonna leave it on this for a little bit because look, we have Spotify. I just don't know if it's just gonna actually work or not. I gave it 3 cores. It's not used to 3 cores. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be funny. Oh, this is okay. Now, I'm just waiting for music at this point. So yeah. Let's see about this. Y'all can hear my awesome singing. Da da da. Ba da da. Ba da da. Ba da da. Ba da da. And I'm pretty sure I can't run it full screen, my virtual machine. I don't remember. I don't know why, but I can't do that either. Ba-da-da. Ba-da-da-da. Welcome, everybody. I'm going to enter some stuff in the chat, because why not? Welcome, everybody that isn't here. Because no one is here, I don't think. So it's loading. This is taking an awfully long time to load. But in the meantime, we can see if my mics don't peak. Because we don't want any mic peaking for my drum kit. Let's actually switch to a different scene. Okay. No. We need to do fade. Just like that. Okay. My virtual machine is taking a sweet old time. But in the meantime, let's see if my microphone... That's peak comedy right there. Windows updating. Pretty sure I prevented it from updating. But, you know Windows. It just updates whenever it feels like it. Okay, let's see if... Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I prevented it from communicating with the update servers, which is kind of funny. Okay. Let us see. We don't want any peaking on our mics. Let's see. No peaking. Nothing of the sorts. Okay, we'll put it under like science and technology for the moment. And it is public. Okay, cool. It is indeed public. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Why does it have to update? That's okay. Okay. Let's try these mics. Everything is working properly. Let's bring the secondary display over. Where's my mouse? Mouse. We'll go like that, and like that, and like that. There we go. Bring it right on over. And then we'll view. Let's go to YouTube Studio. Some of the stuff I might not want to show y'all. I don't think anyone's actually watching. Yeah. Oh, hey, I got another subscriber. I don't know from what, though. I don't know what I would get a subscriber from. Let's see. It's funny because nobody has joined stream yet. It's okay. Okay. And I don't think I want my desktop audio playing. Yeah, we just purely want this. Yes! Yes! Woo! Okay, it actually. No way. Yeah! Yes! Okay, I am so happy, as you could probably tell. Yes! And that's just plain old the I think that was just a regular mic too. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. So it's both these. Bass drum sounds just fine, and the cymbal sounds just fine. Yes, everything sounds beautiful, gorgeous, awesome. Okay. Call me weird, but I think it's password protected. My virtual machine is password protected, but I don't really think anyone really cares. And no way. Wait, hold up. I think there's a little bit of like echo, but ugh. Oh well. That's okay. That is okay. I'll figure out we're gonna bring this back on over. We've got the computer VM. The computer VM. So yes, this is my virtual machine. Alright, there. Pretty sure the only viewer I have right now is myself. But, you know, that's okay. Let's see about this. Because I don't... I need to fix my syncing issues. Because I think it's probably just going to be the... It's gonna be I think just the voice mic, because I think there's, it's this one. It's stereo too, which is like, there's only one die, so I don't know how it would be, not die, that's not the right word. You know what I mean. Monitor and output. Yeah. There's a little bit of a... Oh my gosh. Yeah, I I don't know, dog. Cause like it's yeah, it's there's definitely some overlay. Cause I'm running two mics right now. I'm assuming it's gonna be this one that's offset. Let's do like -20. Definitely. Oh my gosh, that's a lot better. Like this. Okay, my voice is. Okay, now let's see. It was for sure like a lot better. I just don't know the actual number. And now is the fun part of like syncing everything up. Cries internally because that's the worst part. Literally the worst part. I don't. Spotify, what are you doing? What are you doing? No. I don't want. Ah! No, Spotify, please don't do this to me. Don't let me down now. What is it doing? Oh, that's great. That's great. Just great. Okay. Spotify. My VM is it connected to the internet? Like surely it's got to be. Like dadgummit. It is not wanting to work. Okay. Surely it's connected. I can't imagine that it isn't connected. But that's okay. Edit, da 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 da. This is probably really, really boring to watch right now, but that's okay. Music. Okay. Golly knows what the heck Spotify is trying to do. I don't know. That's for sure. And let me just. What? Hey, talk to me. Talk to me, Mr. Computer. Mr. Computer. Mr. VM. Paste and go. I might as well just see. Like, pretty sure I'm not. It would have given me a warning at this point. Been like, hey, we're not connected to the internet, right? Pretty sure. Give me signs of life. Give me signs of life. Please. I'm gonna wager that. I mean, we are peaking. Yeah, we are peaking. I don't honestly know which mic. I'm pretty sure it's the hi-hat mic. I think it is. Let me look at it. think it is, yeah. Okay. You can slowly start to see me descend into madness. This is frustrating. When nothing is working, can I please, something? Oh yeah, no duh, literally. Something went wrong while trying to load this page. Yeah, I think you're right. It doesn't take a genius to figure that one out. Something went wrong. Wow. Thanks, Spotify. Thank you so much for that super helpful advice. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's just we'll close this. The Spotify application is not responding. I mean, yeah, as I kind of expected. That's okay. Ba 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 ba. Bum bum dum dum. Okay, let's reopen the VM Spotify application. It's not responding. Yeah, I couldn't have guessed from like. Oh my gosh. Honestly though, what am I running a Oopsie daisy. No. That was myself watching. Okay, no. Okay. Let's not get distracted. Let's go back to the VM. Can you please? It doesn't like these 3 chords, does it now? It really doesn't. Like it can't for the life of it like them. Okay. There we go. It's still a little slow, but you know what we should do is make sure that it's not bloated, like whatsoever. So yeah. I could just live stream. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think anyone's actually watching. Not that it really matters, honestly, but it's a little sad when nobody's really watching you. That's okay. So yeah, we've got the Spicetify. Delete. See, we just need to delete all this like crap that it might be slowing down the thing. We've also got the debloater. But this is Windows 11, isn't it? Is this Windows 10? No, it's Windows 11, in fact. Maybe that's why the debloater didn't work. Because I put a debloater on here just to like, so Windows didn't like crap up my just purely Spotify application. But, you know, sometimes it just doesn't work. No, I don't need you over there. I might as well. Ah, my gosh. Oh, that's some madness if I ever saw it. Okay, let me just duplicate this. Screen capture 2, you know, of course. Let's do that one then. Okay. Because, yeah. Okay. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I genuinely don't know what's just like crapping up this, like, because it should be working just fine. I just don't know what exactly. Yeah, because so you can actually see the display layer right there. But Spotify, come on, she's chugging. You know, when you're running like a virtual machine and streaming at the same time, it sometimes doesn't like it. Granted, I'm not running any like graphics accelerations or anything for the virtual machine, because to my knowledge, I don't think VirtualBox really allows that. I think you can get it to work somehow. Just I don't have it set up. Um, is it at least running? Can it connect to the internet? Can it connect to the internet? Like, I don't know why Spotify is difficult right now. And Spotify on my Linux distribution is not working either. Um, okay. Let go of my mouse, please. Please. Okay, let go of it. The host key. Right control. Okay, that's what I thought. Give me my mouse back. Cancel. There we go. See, this is just frustrating. Spotify won't open, and then it tries to open a web browser, the web version of Spotify, which is just kind of annoying. Okay, Spotify, please. I am begging you. Please. No. Please stop. No, please work. Please. That's probably better. just work. Oh my gosh. Like, I don't know why it's not working. But just work. Okay. Hey, you like so stupid. I'm gonna make sure it's connected to the internet. Yep, it is surely connected. Now, why in the world won't you launch Spotify? Give me my Spotify. You know what? Screw it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna wipe the entire first machine and start from scratch. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh. I didn't want to have to do this. Oh, hey! Spotify, you working? This is just madness. No. No. Wait. Oh my gosh. Like, I can. Because Spotify works on my main Linux distribution. I don't know what the issue is here, but let me see. Yeah, it's working on the main distribution. It just won't work with my secondary display. It won't full screen, which is frustrating. But you know. I don't know what I could do to fix it, genuinely, other than I don't know, forcing a resolution out of the display that it won't work on. You know what? know what we're gonna do? We're gonna just do this. So I'm watching my own stream, but how about watch this? Ready? I'm gonna go to my Spotify. We're gonna make this. Excuse me. Select monitor. The third display. Bingo. It's a little big. Watch this. Ready. Steady. Wait for it. Bingo! Granted, it doesn't really fit, but it works! Look at that! Okay, now, because my stupid Spotify on my virtual machine won't work, I'll have to fix that later. We've got this. Oh, dadgummit. What we can do, though, is no. Ah! We'll close that a little bit. It's a little big. That's okay. I think it's 171 or something. Come on. There we go. It's literally just perfect. Literally perfect. Okay, there we go. Now, let's see about Spicify. Let's see if I get Spicify to work. Okay. Let's open my command prompt. Give it a hot second. Or more than a hot second. You okay there, computer? Computer. I feel like Batman. There we go. It opened a couple of command prompts. That's okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's see. How do we set up Spicify? Spicify on Setify install on Linux. Woohoo! Okay, let's actually just how to install Spicify on a Ubuntu. Let's turn off my dark reader because that seems to not be very. My eyeballs. My eyeballs. I genuinely don't know where any of my mods are. Where are my mods? Well, I can't reboot the computer, but I can apt update. Let's enter my password, my pseudo password. And I guess we'll do its thing. Apt list upgradable. Sudo apt upgrade. Nope. Upgrade. Yes, we will install every single one of those dependencies. Yo, Mr. Big Boy 14. Welcome. My stuff wasn't working, so I'm having to try to install Spicify on I don't know if that makes any sense, but I'm installing Spicify on my main Ubuntu distribution. Last time it didn't work, but I'm determined for it to work now. I think, yeah, you can hear me. So I got a brand new mic. Pretty stoked about that. But yeah, we've got installing Spicify. It's a whole lot of fun. Just mostly looking at a lot of command prompts and stuff. So, I mean, it's kind of working. My virtual machine, which was like a virtualized computer, which I ran a Windows virtual machine with a modified version of Spotify, not illegal, but just a modified version of Spotify, to like customize and make it look how I wanted for my streams. I ran that for a while on my virtual machine, but that wasn't working. So now I'm doing the long, annoying round of doing a bunch of like command prompt kind of stuff to try to see if I can install Spicify on my main Ubuntu distribution. Because like the thing with Linux is so awesome, but you just have to learn how to like do some certain stuff. Like some stuff you just have to learn how to fix. And this is kind of one of those things. So yeah, I think it's updating right now and making sure all of my stuff is up to date. I haven't updated in a solid little bit. So this is probably good. See if Spicify works now. But yeah, I mean, well, you get to see all of these, all these, like that just looks like hacker kind of stuff. For like the naked eye, the regular human being probably just thinks that I'm hacking. Yeah, but you know, the issue is not setting up Linux necessarily itself, because Linux was not hard to set up. Granted, dual booting, that was a little harder to set up, because I have, no, not necessarily. A lot of it's just running commands, and sometimes you'll be reading an article or watching a video, you're like, hey, this command, or like, they're like, you should run this command, because this is going to work. And then you run the command, and it's like, error, this or this doesn't exist. And then you're just like, wow, that is not helpful in the slightest. So then you go look down another rabbit hole, and then you just run a bunch of commands to fix the command you were trying to run, and then those commands sometimes don't work. So it's this like massive rabbit hole of just trying and troubleshooting. And granted, I'm running Ubuntu, and some people just don't like the Ubuntu just because of this. But I really don't want to run other like distributions of Linux. Oh, made some noise. Some of them are hard in the sense. Yeah, essentially. I like that analogy, using a Java command on Bedrock. Yeah, they're kind of like, they're the same game, but they're not the same game, because the back end is just different. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to install Spicify, which if you look it up, Spicify is essentially just like a mod and kind of like an extension kind of a thing for like the regular Spotify application. I love Spicify. I really like it, but it hasn't worked too great on Linux for me. I've been able to like quote unquote install it. It just won't communicate with the Spotify files that it's supposed to be communicating with. So yeah, because I don't know, like you might know, I do drum stuff. I'm just trying to set it up. I'm trying to get my stupid Linux to work. Okay, cool. Is it done? Yes! Okay. It's done updating. Yippee! Now we gotta run the 1,000 other commands. Okay, see, I'm not like super proficient in like Linux. The installation, configure Spotify permissions. Was it? I don't think that it was installed Flatpak. I don't even think. Yeah, no, I don't even have Flatpaks on my computer. That's exciting. But thanks for joining stream. More commands. Yeah, now we've got to install Flatpaks. I could also, let's see. So now we have to do some commands to make sure that, see, the way that Spotify works is by communicating and modifying Spotify like files, I believe. For additional installation, I'm pretty sure I just installed it regularly. I don't entirely know. For traditional installation, what the heck is that supposed to mean? That is not helpful in the slightest. Okay. More commands. You know what? Let's just install it the Flatpaks way. But first we gotta install Flatpaks. I hope this is not boring, like genuinely. Because I know watching a bunch of stuff. Okay, so the main reason I need a modded version of Spotify is since I do a lot of drums, a lot of the drum suggestions for viewers, I don't know the song, but I really, really, really like Spotify has an extension where it has special lyrics, where it like syncs the lyrics to like the words and stuff. And it just number one, looks visually cool, and number two is a lot better for improv stuff where I know where I am and I can take cues a lot better. I could improv songs without it. It's just it's nice to have an extra kind of thing to see it, and I can also you can what is it called? You can also, what is the word? Make Spotify look differently, like add different themes and whatnot, which just looks really cool. Okay. Now we're on another thing to make sure I install Flatpaks correctly. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let us be one of the few commands I do know is clear. Whoa! It cleared the terminal. Whoa my gosh. And genuinely, a lot of Linux stuff is like you have zero clue what you're doing, so you just copy commands from like websites and hope it works. Like you pray to God, and you're like, please, please, please work. Okay. Okay, now that's nice. No. Okay, I'm dumb. I'm done. I'm dumb. Sudo apt install. No, see, this is what I'm talking about. You run a command and it's like command not found, and you're just like, brother. Okay, I think Flatpaks. Is that working? Yes. I need a whole 6 megabytes. A whole 6 megs. Whoa. I might not have space for that. Whole 6,000 kilobytes. Okay. Do I have Flatpaks now? Flatpaks. Please tell me. Please tell me. Packs. Yes! Okay. Yes! Okay, we have Flatpaks installed. Yes! Okay. Okay. Do. Okay, there we go. We are on a roll. All we've done is install Flatpaks. I think it's just a module installer kind of a thing. Okay, we have Flatpaks. Now we can run sudo Flatpaks install FlatHub. I definitely know what I'm doing. FlatHub. What? Fine. Does it want me to install the GUI? The graphical user interface? Software updater. Remind me later. I don't. Remind me later. I think it wants me to install the graphical interface. Okay, let's try it now. You still here, Mr. Boy 14? Mr. Big Boy 14? No. Sudo Flatpaks install FlatHub. Like I said, I definitely know what I'm doing. That's code for I have zero clue. No, looking for matches. Oh! This is not helpful in the slightest. Not helpful in the slightest. Okay, can I just let me install Spotify? Okay. Let's install the Spotify. Install with flat packs. Like, genuinely, I haven't even heard of flat packs until now. Okay, 4 ways to install Spotify. That looks promising. Cool beans. Okay, where did my cursor go? Oh, dadgummit. My secondary screens are frozen. That's nice. That's just like frustration. Still here. Cool. Okay. My my other screens have decided to freeze up on me. That's lovely. So I apologize if I don't if I don't respond promptly. Okay. Update. I've updated it. Download the Spotify. Using the GUI. Install Flatpaks. Yes. Yeah. You can tell someone put a lot of work into this. After adding Flatpak, reboot to integrate it properly. What does that even mean? What does that even mean? Okay, oh my gosh. There we go. Paste. Looking for matches. Ooh. Oh, this looks promising. This looks promising. Let's see. And we'll actually, while we're at it, we'll uninstall the other Spotify. Sudo uninstall Spotify. This is the other version of Spotify I have on here, I'm pretty sure. Sudo Spotify uninstall. What in the what? No. This is. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? What is the best instrument other than drums? I'd say drums, percussion, all of the above. My favorite instruments, at least. Best instrument other than drums. Ooh, that's a good question. I like piano or guitar. I don't know. Yeah, because I have two drum kits. I have my acoustic kit, which I'm trying to set up now with my Linux distribution, and I have my electric kit, which I was recording videos on for a while when my dad was using, or when my room was a little bit messy for a while. But best instrument, but yeah, I'd probably say piano or guitar, something of the sorts. But yeah, interesting fact about, or a little fun fact about piano, it's actually a percussion instrument, because definition of percussion is like something that hits in something else. And inside the piano, there are little like mallets that hit the strings to play it, or like play a certain thing. So yes. We have a solid 4 concurrent viewers right now. Ooh. Also, why in the world are my others displays just frozen? Ah! But yeah, I mean, this is still working, or it's trying its best. I don't know if it's actually working, But it's doing something. In the meantime, might as well fix frozen second displays. Linux. See, might as well fix other issues while we're here at it. Well, not necessarily, because let's just pull up the official percussion instrument meaning. I don't know, meaning. An instrument such as a drum is produced by one object striking another or being scraped or shaken. So, based on that, we have the... I can't word this right now. The strings, and when you hit the key, there's a little mallet thing that smacks the strings, and so it's something striking another thing. Same thing for like when you hit a snare or something, you're hitting the thing, and that's what's making the noise. But bass is a string instrument because you're not hitting the strings. You're letting the friction or whatever. I don't know. Slap bass? That's a good question. I don't know. I mean, like, I know there's different ways to play instruments. Like, I know there's certain ways where you hit the guitar or whatnot. It's cool noises. But I'm not entirely sure. So, yes, my secondary and third display are just not working right now. Okay, second freezes intermittently. NVIDIA. Hope that answered your question. We have 5 concurrent viewers. Whoa, I think my top concurrent viewers ever is 8 or something like that. It just freezes mobile video card. Okay. NVIDIA. Okay, let's see. Thermal settings. We're at a comfortable 50 Celsius. Power mixer. Maximum performance. Was that what it was? The performance mode for your GPU. I mean, was that it? I don't remember. Power performance. Power. NVIDIA. Please wait for the operation to complete. We've got a bunch of things going all at once. Let's see. CPU usage is decent. Dadgummit. No, I'm not restarting my system. Yes, let me quit. I can't. Prefer maximum performance. But yeah, my secondary displays are still not working. I'm scared because last time. I'm kind of scared because last time I did that, my entire system froze. That's why last stream it just stopped working. I mean, I could turn them off. Okay. If it stops working in the next little bit, or if it just cuts me off, just assume that my entire system froze. Yes, okay, Spotify is officially installed. But just assume my computer crashed or something if I stop talking. Or it just stream turns off unexpectedly. So because we're still live streaming now, I'm gonna unplug it and see if that fixes it. But yes, we're having a lovely conversation right now about this is great. Okay, how to install use Flatpaks on Linux. I installed Flatpaks. How about Spotify? We have Spotify. We do have Spotify. Ooh, cool beans. Is this the actual Spotify edition? Snap users. Uninstall Spotify from. Why would you? Um, is it working? It is not working. Okay, cool beans. Because my secondary screen. Okay. Okay, there we go. Give me a sec. I'm going to unplug it. See, let's